Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Was this road rage or a mistake? The other driver stopped just in time. This truck driver picked off this BMW's trash. Some people can't be patient. Cutting lanes while going uphill on a blind curve driving a truck. Genius.
On the throne sat a mail-clad man. A great sword was laid across his knees, but he wore no helm.
This driver was taking the toll road when a driver behind him tried to sneak with him through the gate.
Sabarlah. Tadi bunyilah jauh. Tak, dia nak main apa ni? Tak boleh, I kena slow. Dia nak cucuk, I nak dapatkan apa ni? Apa? Dia pergi belakang. Siapa mau cucuk-cucuk? Dia tak nak bayar. Mana jaga kat sini? Tak mau bayar.
Maybe a truck is a better vehicle to use rather than this.
Ele vai... Que porra é essa, brother? Que é isso, cara? Que porra é? Abre a janela pra ficar melhor. Que é isso, cara? O que ele tá fazendo com o jet? Que isso, caralho? Que porra é essa, filho?
Vai tirar o carro. Mano, vai tirar o carro.
Que porra é essa, cara? Olha quanto que ele entrou.
O carro, porra! Não, família!
Meu Deus, cara.
Nossa, sai daí, meu.
Que porra é essa, cara? O carro tá boiando.
Ah, não, mano.
O carro tá dele.
Ficou? Que maravilha.
Não dá, tô rindo demais, pô. Desligou o carro, acabou, filho.
Nossa.
A cara dele.
Vai lá, vai lá.
A onda.
Watch a pothole being created in real time. I think the train was more scared here.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
This truck driver didn't see this driver. Attention everyone, I am turning now. Seriously, this is a one-of-a-kind self-entitled driver. This driver had a good reaction time. And this is how I met your mother. Well played.
Glad you moved.
Yep, that's why I moved.
Oh boy.
Some drivers honestly don't seem to care if they cut someone
Lights are on the
off.
left by the door, she says. I turn to my left and she says, no, Owen, the other left. I keep my smile in check and reach to the right to flip the lights on. I watch her walk with purpose toward one of the stations. She drops her purse on the counter and then grips the back of the lawn chair and spins it.
Christ.
Sit.
You know Google Street View in Google Maps? Well, this Google car taking pictures for the new map apparently hit a biker. These workers must be happy. Jeez. What type of moron decides to drive down the hill with this Australia, mate? I don't see anything wrong with this clip.
I'm just unsupervised, like, all the time. It's so unsafe.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.